Hi there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use 128 Hz Auto tuning fork for relaxation and for grounding. And this is a great tool for the beginner. And don't worry, if you never tried sound therapy before, it is simple and effective. What exactly is a tuning fork? Tuning fork is a small tool that vibrates when you tap it, and it creates a gentle vibration. And this one is 128 Hz Auto. It's great for calm your mind and body, and I like to think as have a mini sound bath in your hand. Let's get started. First, holding tuning fork by the handle here. It's lightweight. Next, you got gentle tap the soft rubber. And you hear the hum, and you feel the vibration. Now, you're going to place it anywhere that you feel tense. Close your eye, take a breath, feel it. Auto tuning fork had weight at the end of the prong, and it's low frequency. It's used for physical and grounding, and decided for direct contact to the body. I started using this for my stiff hand, and it really helped. It helped be able to move, get better range of motion, doesn't feel so achy, and it put me to sleep. It made me so relaxed, put me to sleep. So I start using it in the morning to help me ground myself, to calm and balance. And at night, I use it to help me to unwind and sleep better. I do sleep better. And I use it for whoever I massage at the end of the session to help them ground themselves, because after massage you feel like kind of so relaxed, so you want to help them to feel more grounded and balanced after the massage session. So this is turned to be my go-to tool that I use every day. I will highly recommend you guys to start using it. Is only use a few minutes a day and just integrate it to your daily routine, and you will love it, and it feel relaxed and calm. Hope you guys give it a try. I hope you feel confident about using 128 tuning fork. Try this, let me know in the comment, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the